Do you want to quick save your video but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to easily save your projects in FL Studio. Okay, so to export your project, you should not always go to File and click on Save manually. You can just press Ctrl+S altogether and your file will be saved automatically. Another way is to click Ctrl+Shift+S. This helps you to save your project in a different name and location. It's quick and easy as that. If you want to automatically save your projects, just go to Options and go to File Settings, and then on Backup there is Autosave. Click on whatever you like, and that's it. That's how you automatically save your projects in FL Studio. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more detailed videos. See you in the next one.